Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Gurukul. Today we are going for the running forehand ball. First, please subscribe our channel so get the more videos. So running forehand means hit the ball. We try to learn the shadow. Okay. The problem of the running forehand is the overhitting the ball. Overhitting the ball, always we are trying to hit hard. Why we are overhitting? Because ball is far. To defend the ball, we run fast to the ball. When we run fast to the ball, then we overexcited or sometimes panic, and then we are hitting hard. So second thing, when we run, our leg will move fast, but upper arm and shoulder will be slow. So now next one, I try to show that then. Okay, so that is, what is the another problem? Problem is when we hit the ball, we try to hit the ball too close to the net and sometimes too close to the line. That is the problem. So because of that, when we hit the ball a little more high and try to hit the cross court, so court will be longer. So first thing the prince is going to do, first they will do shadow, cross leg, recovery. After that they will throw the ball by himself and they hit. After that I will feed the ball. So let's check how Prince is going to learn about this step by step. First we will do the shadow. This is the first thing. Now hitting the ball. Now I'm going to feed the hand feeding ball and how Prince is going to do. So sometimes he is hitting the ball very hard, sometimes flat. This is the defensive ball like this. If you hit down the line, it is dangerous. So sometimes it is more easier to hit the ball a little more higher and cross. So court is more longer and it is more safe. So try to hit the ball cross court and a little more higher. It is a safe ball. Good spin and racket back. Racket should be when you are running, sometimes going and then taking racket back. It's not like that. We are going for the ball, racket back and then hitting. Okay? Keep your early racket back. Faster racket back, turn. Good one, back. Ball out. Keep your eye on the ball. And a little more wider, higher, little more, clear the net, last. Okay, so that is the running forehand, the first one. Next time we are going to work for the right foot to right foot. Okay, Prince, how is it? Good? It's working now. Okay, so any running ball you have to run and hit the ball, recovery, back. So it's the forehand side you can cover nicely. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video. Next time we are going for the more open stance. Thank you. Bye bye.